So the next set of bagpipes that I'm going to play for you are the Irish Uilleann pipes. This is an instrument that probably was created sometime in the mid to late 18th century. And the Uilleann pipes, or Irish pipes, or union pipes as they were sometimes called, were really intended to be kind of a sophisticated bagpipe for the landed gentry. The idea was that some country gentleman could while away the long winter evenings playing simple Irish airs on this sophisticated indoor-friendly bagpipe. You'll notice that, like the small pipes, it's got a bellows attached to it. So again, you're not blowing any wet air inside the instrument. It has a chanter, which has keys to make it fully chromatic over 2 octaves. Unlike most bagpipes, the Uilleann pipe chanter has a 2-octave range. Scottish pipes have a 9-note range, so just an octave and a note. So the Uilleann pipes are capable of playing a much wider variety of music. It has 3 drones, like many bagpipes. And then the most interesting addition to Irish pipes is that they have often 2 or 3 or sometimes even 4 of these keyed chanters inside the main stock. And these are called regulators, and you can press them with your wrist while you're playing, or if the melody is just on the top hand of the chanter, you can play them with your bottom hand, and this makes it possible for you to accompany yourself and play chords. So the pipes, as I said, were originally intended to be kind of an upper-class instrument in Irish society, but they very quickly became popular among all different classes of Irish society, and in particular among itinerant traveling musicians. And so I'm going to play a couple of tunes from the the traveling piping tradition, Colonel Fraser, and what's the other tune? The Collier's Reel.